let's talk about this bedside alarm clock with USB and wireless phone charging. So I'm always on the hunt for a good alarm clock. I really like them to be well designed because they sit right next to my bed in my bedroom. I liked on the picture how this one looked, you know, kind of spare, sort of like an Apple style. I thought that in person it was slightly less elegant. The color on the buttons is kind of like a green gray. It looks kind of cheap. I wish it was maybe a paler gray. This cloth covering is also kind of like a low-end fabric, and as you can see, it doesn't totally come through in the video, but like the light, this is a really bright blue, and it is kind of blurry when showing through the screen, which I suppose is probably how they all are. I just didn't expect it. Cool feature is you can actually change the brightness, which is nice when it's next to your bed, so you can make it dimmer, go away entirely. Other cool features, like it has one USB port. I've got my Apple Watch charger plugged in, which is super handy. And then this is where you lay your phone. I can't put my phone there because I'm videoing on my phone, but very convenient feature. I did notice my phone gets really hot when it's laying there, which kind of makes me worry it's gonna explode, so I actually haven't been using it, but yeah. And then what else? Usability is like, okay. I had to read the manual to figure out how to set it. I mean, good thing it's got this big snooze button. To shut off the alarm, you hit this little button. And then you can wake up to radio or beeping. They're both horrible. Here's a radio sound.
Stick 'em up, Jimmy. Next, won't be needed unless Jenny wanna get right.
Is that hyenas? Oh.
so bad.
Is that like a campfire? Birdies. That's cool. What's that sound?
What's waterfall?
That's cool.
It's making this weird clicking noise. And it does this. It just constantly does this. Unplug it, plug it back in. Customer support is of no help.
Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
You see the smoke?
Ever got here. Que yo quiero que se ven encima de mí. Mi libertad no la quiero, tampoco la vida de soltero. Yo lo que quiero es que quieran lo mismo que todos queremos.